Deactivate the screed layer to better visualize the template. We start with the living room, inserting the center table. Next, the sofa. These options help with the object orientation. We configure the kitchen's worktop. The chosen stove will be vitroceramic. We have to activate the displacement and assign to it the same height as the worktop, 0.9 meters. Select the sink. You can visualize the furniture inserted in the ground floor. Choose the bed. The nightstands have been modelled as worktop. We can use the edit options to move and copy the created element. The shelf is going to be set. Choose the sanitary appliances according to the design. This option allows you to make a perpendicular cut to the Z axis.